Hey there programmers, today I'm Rishikesh back on my YouTube channel and today we are going to do some basics of C++. Let's begin. We'll be including libraries first. Hashtag include iostream.h. Hashtag include conio.h. Void main. Let me begin my main from here. I'm using indentation by clicking on the tab key. Enter tab. Yeah. So now let's clear our screens. See out. This is the declaration, and these double quotes stand for, actually there will be a string in between them. So let me actually insert hello world. Yeah, hello world, and that's a program. Now we have get ch here. All these functions are actually included in these libraries, so you might want to write these first and then you can insert clr, str, cout, etc. So if you're using some function like line 10, 20, 110, 20, it won't work. That's because you have not included a library known as graphics.h. That was just an example. Now let me actually check if there's any error. No. So now let's run it. Okay, we are done with our first part. Now let's actually ask the user to insert some numbers. For that we will be using cout again. Enter and string in between here. Enter and number. Okay, now we gotta declare a variable which actually stores a number, and so that we can use that variable to manipulate. So let's actually declare it of integer type, int a. Yeah, there are many like float, comma character. So this is done. We declared it. Now let's ask the user to enter it. In and let's write a. Now the user has actually inserted a. Get lower and let's manipulate on it. Maybe we should give out the square to the user. A is equal to 8 times a. Yeah, we could actually create a new variable named as result. So let's declare one more. Yeah, you can do multiple initializations from here. Res equals to a star a. That's basically the square. Now we are now not going to show them a string, so we will have to write cout res directly, result directly. This actually means that whatever is there inside this is string, and this means we are directly referring to this over here, integer result. So now let's check for errors. No errors. Everything is declared correctly. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay. Hello world, enter a number. Let me enter 12. Okay, so 12 times 12 is 144. We are done with our first actually working mini calculator. Yeah, which actually just squares the number. Yeah, we can actually make plus, or maybe you want to minus, or maybe you want to divide, whatever you want. You can actually even take out the remainders using the modulus function, actually the percent sign. Let's keep it as our square. So we are done manipulating. Now let's make another variable care, and we might name it as care ch, or let's name it as care. Yeah, care ch will do. Now let's ask the user to enter an character, basically ABCD and stuff. Enter an character. The same way, you just need to write C in CH, close this, and we are done. And we might want to show out the character to the user, so we write cout ch. Now we are done with this. No errors. A cout means console output, cin means console input, clr ser means clear screen. And now let's run this. Hello world, enter a number. That means 2400. Enter a character. Let me enter G. Yeah, so it actually showed me G. But now we actually saw an error, kind of, not actually error. We saw something bad, like all these was mixed up. So we might want to end these lines using the function known as end line. End L, end L, end L. Using these two times over here and over here also is known as cascading. We'll be coming to that later. We can actually take in multiple inputs like that also. A. So now let's see our beautiful. Okay, there's an error. Okay, so there is something missing here. Okay, cascading. Now let's check it. Yeah. Hello world, enter a number. 12, 144, enter a character. So let me insert A. I need to put an end L over here also. Done. Okay, so that's how our first program is made. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and share.